All right, good morning. Mr. Watson here. Welcome to my class. What I want to show you today is what we do for the introduction module, the various assignments for it. So, first thing to understand about my class is here's how my campus is typically organized. And then on the left side, you have the home that brings you to this, that's the modules view. Under that is grades, where you can check to see how you're doing in the class. But I like to point out that on the right side, there's the to-do list. That's the assignments that are due for the class. And everything that it gets assigned, because I assign it with dates, shows up on the right side under the to-do list. There is an exception. Once it has been there for 2 weeks and you haven't done it, the system will take it off of the to-do list, but you can still find those by hitting grades and looking where it says missing. Anything that shows wasn't done, and it's already past its due date. So that's how you can find those. Okay, so what we have here, we have basically under starter quizzes, we have 4 things. First one is starter about me. Let me show you that. So to do starter about me, just says write about yourself. Tell me what I need to know. It's what I need to know about you, particularly if you need any type of accommodations to be successful in the class. Tell me that. Well, the answer can be as long as you want or as short as you want. Yeah, example of really short. Well, I've known myself pretty well, so I think I need to know nothing about me. So nothing is an acceptable answer. If you don't want to tell me anything, that's fine. So there, I just put in nothing. Or I could have put in, tell me all about your brothers, sisters, cats, dogs, pet chickens, including your favorite chicken, Rosie, whatever I need to know. Notice when I clicked that, it was over here on the to-do list. It was taken off because it's gotten done. So next thing, actually, I'm going to click on them over on the right side now. Daily process quiz. So here's the daily process quiz. Let's click on take the quiz. Basically, it's how my stuff is set up in Canvas every day. Question 1, where are the class starter exercises located? Well, they're always under that home module and then under the Canvas starter quizzes. They're always there. Question 2, what file should I download, view in Canvas to see how to do an activity? Well, within the assignments, there's a link always on the bottom, assignment help file link. I'll show that to you on the next quiz when we get into an actual assignment. Activities requiring submission of completed computer work files or submitted for grading in Canvas using. That's the assignment link, submission links. They're always in blue, and they're typically at the top right or bottom left of the Canvas page. Class online discussions are completed using, well, that's the discussion links. And the last question here is, how is the course material divided up in Canvas? Well, I use modules. I use the modules, and they're actually in the order we're going to typically do them. Not always, but most of the time they're in the right order. Okay, so I got that course daily process quiz. It took it off the list over here on the right. Canvas assignment quiz. Let's do that one. Okay, now we got the Canvas assignment quiz. Take this. And on this one, here's what my Canvas pages typically look like. At the top here, like the example here, to complete this assignment, watch the video. So that's A. The next thing down is where I have the YouTube video inserted, which is B. Below that, in yellow highlight, is the instructions of how to complete the assignment, what you got to do and what you need to send in. If it involves downloading something or using another website, that's down there below the YouTube video where it says click here, click there. That's where you click to get the resource you need or to go to another website. And then finally, along the bottom, what I was talking about, there's the assignment help file link. That's the PowerPoint presentation on how to do the assignment. So let me scroll back up. It's question 1, which answer letter represents the instructions for an assignment? Well, that's A, which normally they are just, or that is watch the video. That's normally what I say. Which letter represents the YouTube video? Well, that's B. Here's the YouTube video. Which letter represents where you click to transfer to another website? Well, that's D. The click here, click there. Question 4, which letter represents where you find the assignment submission requirements. Remember, that's under the YouTube video highlighted in yellow. That's C. What you're supposed to be doing with it. And last, which letter represents where you find the slideshow format instructions on how to do it. That's the assignment help file link. That's E. Oh. Let me click, send that in. One thing I like to point out on the quiz is, it said over here, it shows I got a perfect score. But if you don't, scroll down, and I show what you answered and what the right answer is if you did not answer correctly. So mine are really easy to keep up because of that. Okay, so I got that done. I said, oh, now I got a Canvas course process assignment. So let me kick that. Here's the Canvas course process assignment. And what you do on this, I said that's actually what was in that example on the previous quiz. Let's see what it says. Well, we don't need to watch the video because you're kind of watching it right now. For this, I said you want to use the download link. So let me click on that. And it downloaded this course resource file. What you got to do in course resource file, click to open it. And it'll open it up. There, once you got it open, hit enable editing. Put your name on it. You can save it. And then you want to send it in. How you send it in, click up here where it says Start Assignment. Then Upload File. Choose File. It'll be in the Downloads folder on a Windows computer or in Recent Documents on a Chromebook. Click Open. And I said that attaches the file. Then click Submit Assignment. You'll get a little celebration on the screen. And date time will show in the upper right. You got that done. So let me click Home again. Look at that. It took it off the screen. Only two things left. Let me show you a course layout quiz. It's a lot like the two previous ones. In fact, some of the questions are the same. Yeah. Let's see. Question 1. What file should I download, view on Canvas to see how to do an activity? Well, that's E. I said, or B. In this case, it's got two answers because I said the YouTube video shows you how to do it and the assignment help file shows you how to do it. Just depends which you want your preference. Question 2. Activities requiring submission computer are submitted for grading using, well, that's over here in the upper right. This is an earlier example when it used to say submit assignment. Now it says start assignment and then submit assignment. But you use that blue button. Question 3. How's the stuff divided up in Canvas? Why divide it up here? Example C, modules. I always use modules. Question 4. Class line on the discussions are completed using, well, that's the discussion link, which once again is C on this example. And then where the class starter exercise is located. Well, that's the starter quiz module, which is just about always the top module. I try to make it the top module. And it'll be the top module all year long. Okay, so I put that in. Look, got a perfect score again. Click home. That quiz is off the list. Last thing left, benchmark, School City benchmark testing. So to complete that, what you do is you go into this, click the School City button. It'll take you to the School City website. At the School City website, you log in and complete any assessment that shows up under that Take Assessment button. Once you got it done, what you got to do here is click Start Assignment and just put I'm done or something like that. Finish. What you can tell me the score if you want. However you get it done. And I said that's how you complete that off. So now let me hit home again. And look, everything for the course introduction module, and it said it's now cleared off it. That's how you complete that. That's all for now. Have a great day.